What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. And as you guys can tell by the first clips you guys just saw, right now we are in a harbor right in front, or right next to Lake Michigan, I guess you would say. Alright, so this morning I drove about 40 minutes or so. Gonna meet up with my boy Justin. You guys know Justin. He's the guy that catches the big carp, just big fish in general. So, first of all, guys, I'm gonna leave his stuff down below. Definitely check him out. We're gonna go carp fishing. Like, that's a positive. We are going to go carp fishing. But Justin also mentioned steelhead. So if you guys have been around my channel, my page for a while, you know I've never done steelhead. I've never caught a steelhead. Nothing like, you know, I'm not a big trout guy, not a big salmon guy. I've never really done anything like that. I want to catch a carp because like that's really fun. But if we can get a steelhead today, and you guys will probably tell by the title if we did or not. But hopefully today goes well with me and Justin. Guys, if you are new here, be sure to smack that big red subscribe button, which should be right below you here or here. I really don't know. It depends which device you're on. But guys, we're gonna try to catch some fish today. Stick along. We're gonna have a heck of a day out here. And let's do it. Justin, you want to explain to us what's the get up here for today?
So we're trying something new today. We're trying some cookie minute oats.
Are we eating that, or
I mean,
is that breakfast? Oh, there you go.
Kind of dry.
Kind of dry.
Yeah. Wrap it around the weight. Drop her down.
And then we'll wait for the carp to swing through here. Is that kind of what happens?
Yeah, they swing along the. They come in like shoals on the wall here.
Okay.
So we may have like 30 minutes of nothing, but once the school comes through, we can triple up.
Okay.
It just depends how many there are in the group. So.
All right. Well, let's get it, man. We're here with Eric as well. Put it here, man. We're gonna catch a big fish today. It's a windy day.
Yeah.
But I will try to sink everything I can to this because this is usually out of the wind. Put this down. We're gonna set up for carp, and then me and Eric might try to go for some smallings off these rocks right behind us. And we're gonna have a hell of a day, guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be sick.
Nowhere.
Screaming, baby.
Yeah.
First one of the day. Justin hooked up, man. How do you feel?
Feel good.
For the day.
Yeah.
Oh god. It might be nice.
Oh man, what if we get a double here? That's possible, huh?
Oh, this
It is
GoPro
possible,
fucked
dude.
up.
Man, that's hype. We've been waiting for like 45 minutes or so.
Little guy, it looks like.
Little guy? Hey, dude, that's a fish though. I see him. If you guys can see that, I can't really tell. That is so cool. There she is. Or he. I don't want to assume here, Justin. Can't do that nowadays. You know that, right? Man. It's ripping, man. That's awesome. Well, hopefully it's a shoal moving in, so then this one will go off. Oh, there it is.
Oh, he's got like a no eye. Dude, he's got like no
Oh,
eye.
yeah.
In one eye?
Yeah, I think so.
Woo!
He's
Ripping, baby.
Fight so hard here.
That's why we do it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Gotta love the carping, man. Justin's the carp master right here. Oh, I just missed him.
Head in. Hold on.
Nice. Here, I got the mat.
Here, get the mat.
The mat's right here. Justin with the first beauty of the day. How big? That's probably a smaller one, but it fought
Yeah.
like hell.
Definitely a smaller one. They fight so hard here, though. It's actually weird. The smaller guys fight a little bit harder than the big ones.
And
But look at that eye.
most messed
What
up
is going
eye
on?
I've ever seen. Very cool fish though, man. Love the colors.
Oh yeah, the beautiful dark fish here.
That's awesome.
Awesome stuff.
Hopefully there's more than one sitting down there.
Oh yeah, definitely. There should be a shoal moving through.
Yeah.
Woo!
Dude, my
Big
life-
old goldfish. Jumbo goldfish, baby.
Yeah.
Here.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. And right back down to depth. She's gonna get that line now.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool. Hey, good fish, man. Woo! First of the day.
Oh yeah. Oh
Nice.
my god. On my shitty catfishing setup, dude. This got me a 45-pound flat.
God, that reel. This
Dude,
is
oh, that reel.
so good.
That reel is just like.
Drag work.
Is that your grandpa's reel?
No, it's-
The reel sounds like it's about to just like the drag's just gonna break on it.
Die. Dude, this is like catfishing.
Get him. Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
To the mat, man. Good work. Good work. Good net,
Such
Jess.
a bad high five.
It's all right. Good fish though.
Oh,
Meat on
I
him.
love lake fishing.
Or her. Don't want to assume.
Yeah, we don't want to sing gender.
Never assume gender. Woo. Beauty, bro. Will that fit if I get underwater?
Yeah, I'll get
Look at that. Get those angles, baby. Oh, she went right off. Good fish, boys. Big camera.
Wow,
Look at the big
he was
camera.
running so fast it kept spinning.
Jeez. Woo. Man, that's what we've been waiting for all day.
Feel good?
I don't know. He took a big run there, though. Jeez. We were just hanging out, petting some dogs, having a good time, and this rod finally went off. This one was mine too. That's a run. That's a good run. Man, this is awesome. We've been waiting for so long, and I've been telling Justin, I've been losing hope by the hour, man. But finally.
Hey, when's that been out here?
What's that?
How long you guys been out here?
We've been out here since like what, 8?
Yeah,
Yeah. Good sign though. A school could be moving in though, so that's definitely a good sign. Gotta keep them tight, man. We should be good. That's
Keep it tight, tire his ass out.
yeah. That's all it is. Just gotta tire that bad boy out. He didn't come up. He didn't come up.
Small one.
Eric's came up.
There he, oh, big.
You see it?
Oh, he's big. Yeah, he's big. I've seen
Yo.
He's a big one, kid.
When you get down in net, we'll put the camera down right there.
I don't think it'll fit in the net.
Dude, that's a
Dude,
nice.
Big one,
That's a big carp.
That might be 30, Kate.
Dude, that's a big carp. Dude, that is big.
Right here. Get under the rod. Here,
Get under it?
Yeah. You gotta get over it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dude, that's a big carp. I don't carp fish, man, but that's a big carp.
Look, I like the fight.
Dang, the fight's
Let's bring him
incredible.
over here. Keep him more from the other side.
Oh
Keep pressure,
man.
but don't force him too much.
Yeah, no, I'm just keeping it tight. Come on.
Coming up.
He's coming in.
You gotta hit. You got him.
You got him? You got him. Let's go.
That's a 30-pounder, Kate.
Let's get him to the thing. Let's get him to the thing.
With the weight.
How big? How big is it?
With the weight.
30
30?
pounds
30
on the dot.
30 pounds on the dot? Woo! 30 pounder, baby! I'm in the 30 club. Let's go. Well, it's kind of hard to get a good shot.
Get that fish.
She's a little scared of the fish. But
Hold it up a little more.
that's a 30-pound carp right there. 30 club, baby. She doesn't like it. You don't like the fish? It's too big for you?
Dude, if this was to spawn, you would have just tied my PB.
Whew.
100%.
It's crazy. We're gonna get a few pictures. We're gonna tell Eric gets back too, and look at this thing, man. Oh god! This is the fish. Get up nice and close. She doesn't like it, so she's barking. But 30-pounder. Thanks for Justin for letting me come out here and use this stuff. This thing is so heavy.
Tank, dude.
Oh my gosh! It's insane. And we got the Dons. Thank you, Eric. This thing's a beauty. So I think we're ready to put her back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whew.
A big fish like this, we're gonna release over here so we can get her off real good.
Okay. We are bringing the carp down in a good spot to release her out of the current, kind of in the still water. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Hold on.
You got a 30-pounder. Dude, this could be the day. You never know. They could start turning on.
Yeah, maybe we'll get another one this side.
Oh, look the size of her. Look at the shoulders on that. Now we got Dons to celebrate.
You gotta reach far for this.
Bam, and I'll take the camera, Eric. Thank you, sir. It's kind of some hectic audio there. I don't think the dog we were playing with, she didn't like the carp. It was a little too big for her. But nonetheless, guys, that was insane. Like I said, you guys gotta follow Justin's channel right here. Subscribe right here. Link is down below. He's the one that put me on the switch. It's all his gear, but that was my rod, and that thing just started screaming. I was dead the whole day with 0 fish. And it's all I needed, just one big old fish. And I'm in the 30-pound club, so huge thanks to these fellas for taking me out today. Wow, that's thrilling. That is absolutely amazing. We're gonna refuel and hopefully catch a few more fish before we get out of here.
Yes, I see him.
Was it big? Was it big?
You want my rods up?
No, you should be good. She's staying deep. What's she doing? Do you think it's big or what?
There she is. Yeah, it's
Oh,
nice.
that's a nice one.
Nice.
She's right out there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's definitely 20s.
20. Down there.
He's gonna go. Yeah, he's probably gonna go in
That
a
looks
second.
fat. Oh,
It's big.
oh, it's big.
You didn't think it was big?
Oh, it could be another 30. You see how big that thing was?
Yeah, it's big. It's a fat one, bro.
Play it.
She's staying deep. Just keep that pressure, bro. That's all we need.
Eric, you gotta have a good net job here.
Yeah, you
He's a
really,
big fish.
you really butchered
Big
the last
fish.
one.
Big fish. Oh, this is another 30 possibly. Close.
It's closer. It
Probably
is.
high 20.
Oh,
Dude,
she's got the
This is
run.
what cage look like. They get bigger when they come out.
Shit.
Scary is the longer they fight, especially for carp, the more chance they have of popping off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, dude. That thing is not tired.
So he'll just get bigger when he comes out of the water.
That's a tank, bro. That could be 30.
Could be.
I'm no carp fisherman here.
Could be.
But you are.
Lift, lift, lift.
Nice.
Oh, he's big. He's big.
Oh, you're a line stuck in it in this one, Eric.
He's big. He's big.
What is it?
25.
25? Okay, I thought it was a little bigger, but that's 25 pounder, bro.
25. That's not bad.
That's
Dude,
a
30 and a 25
That's
today.
crazy. Get some pictures, but that is beautiful, dude. 25 pounds. She is dumped there.
I love it.
That is
get a
awesome. That
picture
still
of
is gonna look legendary.
Solid 25 pounder right there.
Oh, that's awesome, bro.
Fish.
Let's get some
One
pictures.
hell of a fight.
There she goes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Good stuff, bro. Well, guys, that is gonna do it for today, and it was quite the day. Let me just say that. I mean, we caught a good amount of fish. I think we caught around 6 to 8 carp. I only caught one, but I mean, the only one I caught happened to be 30 pounds. So, huge, like I said, big shout out to Justin for getting me on the hookup. Also, big shout out to Eric. He was netting a bunch of fish today, and I didn't know he was joining us at first, but he was out here with us, so huge shout out to him as well. If you guys did enjoy that video, be sure to hit that big thumbs up button down below. Also, hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more content, guys. It's fun. I mean, it's again, carp is a species I don't target too often, but I do like to mix it up. And like I said, one of my goals 2018, catch a variety of species and new species, which we're gonna do soon. I think I'm going for trout and all sorts of crap soon, so that'll be a blast. But guys, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I really hope you did enjoy it as much as I did. I mean, I only caught one fish, but it was a 30-pound carp on the dot. It was unbelievable. That huge shout out to Justin for taking me out and letting me use his stuff, his gear and all that. So it was a good day. We got about 50-minute ride home. It's gonna be a good ride. We're blasting some tunes. So I will end it here. I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I did hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.